Hi everyone, this is Mike Charlton. I'm going to give you a little progress report on the jet bike me and Roger Killian are putting together. First off, this is the airspeed indicator. You guys familiar with Bonneville remember when our friends wrecked this big car, I think in 1965. This is the only part that came out of that car still working. I got this off Tim Arfon. He's going to let me use it for our attempt. Exhaust temperature. S gauge over there is RPMs. These are the only things you really got to know about a jet engine. Percent of RPM and the exhaust temperature. They're critical, so you don't burn the motor up. We're going to back away a little bit. There's all the toggle switches. This button way over here. Afterburner. That makes them go real fast. That'll double your horsepower with the jet engine. The G85 we have in here will be making about 2,000 pounds of thrust. Hit that afterburner, you got about 4,000 pounds of thrust. Switches. Low speed shoot, high speed shoot, fire, outriggers, igniters, starter, fuel on and off. Okay, we're going to back up a little ways. Well, we'll check out the cockpit a little more. This is the, I guess, gas pedal would be on most vehicles. Jets don't respond like a gas car. You just set them at a certain RPM and hang on. Brake pedal. Coil over shock. Rubber tire. We're going to leave rubber tires on it to do some testing with it. We have aluminum wheels we made, which we'll be using for our attempt. This area right in here is where the fuel tank will go. There's the fuel inlet line. It's a number 24, boys and girls. These jets take a lot of fuel. That's 16 over there, number 16 fuel lines for the return. Okay, well, here's the nose of the bike. Still working on that. Here's the fuel tank. It's going to hold about 26 gallons of fuel. Exactly enough for about 1.5 miles to 2 miles wide open. We should only need about a half mile to a mile to build up to speed. Let me get back a little bit. Battery shut off, remote start. These cylinders are for the outriggers, which are right below the body there. We're only going to have about 2 to 3 inches of ground clearance. That's the plan. Nitrogen tank, it runs the outriggers and the chute releases. 24 volts we're going to run just to run the fuel controls. The rears are coil over shock also. Two chutes, obviously. One low speed, one high speed. Okay, well, try to get a better shot of what's going on here. There's the canopy right there. The Lexon's out of it at the moment. Okay, that's about it for now. Check back in a couple of weeks, we should have some more done. Oh, we're going to have more done. We should have the body mounted on it. All right. Mike Charlton signing off.